Welcome to the all-new Honda Odyssey. New ultra-modern styling and easy access features like power sliding doors make the Odyssey a delight to look at and to load up. It's been fitted with a dynamic streamlined new front end that is bookended by available LED headlights with auto on and off and an angular new grille. Darkened rear windows wrap around to the back while neatly hiding the track for the sliding doors. The Honda Odyssey is a looker on the outside and an absolute stunner on the inside. With the cabin control social playlist feature, anyone can have a say in the music played by simply adding a song to the playlist through the cabin control app. And now you can use the Honda Link app to remotely start the engine and preheat or pre-cool the interior so the temperature is perfect before you even open the door. Style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology can all be yours in the Honda Odyssey.